Okay, the next type of word problem we're going to deal with is this temporary employment agency. An employment agency specializing in temporary construction help pays heavy equipment operators $140 per day and general laborers $90 per day. If 35 people were hired and the payroll was $3,950, how many heavy equipment operators were employed? How many laborers? So a good thing to do is to look at what it is that we're asked for here. So we need to find out X. We need to find out how many heavy equipment operators there are. And we need to find out how many general laborers there are. So what do we know about heavy equipment operators? They are paid $140 per day. What do we know about general laborers? They are paid $90 per day. And together, when 35 people are hired, we have a total payroll of $3,950. The second equation in this case is going to be the total number of laborers, total number of workers. The heavy equipment operators plus the general laborers, we're told, has to equal 35. And so now we have our two equations. We can set them up, or we can solve them using the elimination method, using substitution method. We probably are not going to use the graphing method here. So one way to do this, most students like to use the elimination method. So we're going to multiply the equation, the second equation, by negative 90. So I'll copy down the first. 140x plus 90y equals 3950. Then negative 90 times x is negative 90x, negative 90 times y, negative 90y, and negative 90 times 35 is negative 3,150. Now we can add the two equations together, and we will get positive 50x, the 90s zero out, and 3950 minus 3150 is 800. Divide by 50, divide by 50, and x is equal to 16. So we know that the number of laborers is the number of heavy equipment operators will be 16. Then all we have to do is go to the simplest equation, which says the total number of laborers is 35, and so 16, which is x plus y, has to equal 35. Subtract 16 from both sides, and we end up with y is equal to 19. 16 and 19 is 35. So y is 19, and what is y? That is the number of general laborers. And so that's how we set up and solve the second type of word problem, a second type of word problem using systems of equations. We'll stop here.